calculating the GST already included in $138. What we need to do here is break this 138 into its original amount and the GST that is included. We know the GST is 15% and the original amount will be the 100%. So what would we do here? Well, we'll start by just trying to visualize this in a diagram. This is our total $138, which is the original 100% here. We don't know the amount, but we know that's the original amount, and the added on GST of 15%. All of that together will give us the 138. We could look at this being the 100% and this being the 15%. So to make our calculations easier or to understand, what we're going to do is 15 is a nice number that could be divided in 3 evenly. So we would have how many lots of 5% in there? We would have 1, 2, and 3, because 3 5s are 15, so each of those is 5%. We could do exactly the same with the 100% now. How many lots of 5% go into 100%? 20. So let's see what we would have here. So we would say, let's just try to organize this. So here we have 20%, and then we have 40, and then we, oops, I think we didn't. Let's do it again. So here 60, and the last one here. So what do we have here? 5%, 5%, 5%, 5%, 20 lots of 5%, because we know that 5 times 20 is 100. So that gives us 20 lots of 5%, and here we have 3 lots of 5%. It's not proportional in the size in the picture, but it should be the same size. So what happened then was that this full amount of $138 that includes GST could be divided in how many equal parts that are equivalent to 5%. Here we have 20 and here we have 3. So if we divided our 138 by 23 to discover how much each one of these 5% parts is worth, let's do that calculation. 138 divided by 23 is 6. So that means that each one of these pieces is worth, in this exercise, $6. So 6 times 23 is the 138. But now GST is only 3 of those. So all we need to do is multiply that 6 by 3. And then we get the $18. So $138, $18 is GST, and if we remove that, $120 is the original price.